Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Bro. Are you tired of struggling with complex diagram software? Let's dive into the world of diagram creation and find the perfect tool for your needs. Diagramming software is a valuable tool for visualizing information, processes and ideas. It helps you organize your thoughts, communicate effectively and solve problems. Today we are introducing EdrawMax. EdrawMax is our style diagram creation software that caters to both beginners and professionals. With its innovative drag and drop interface, you can create a wide range of diagrams including flowcharts, mind maps, network diagrams and more. So the link of this website is available in the video description. So time to put on your silly belts, let's get started. To download EdrawMax, simply click on the free download button. First of all, install this and after installation, launch the software. Here you will see the interface like this. Here we have the bunch of features. Here we have the For You tab, EdrawAI, flowchart, mind map, organizational chart, basic diagram, project management, marketing and more. If I click on the For You tab, here you can see we have many features like all, basic flowchart, mind map, block diagrams, organizational chart, floor plan and basic electrical. At the left side we have open button, import button, and if I click on the templates, and you can check out the templates community for more than 20,000 free customizable templates. Supports various file formats like Visual Excel, PowerPoint, Word, PDF and more. If you need a quick template or diagram, you can use the search bar at the top, and there is also a new AI feature section. And next we have EdrawAI feature. Click on it. Here you can see its popular tool like AI chat and AI drawing. AI chat supports continue conversation, provides answer to your question anytime, anywhere. AI drawing creates stunning images based on text description, bring imagination to life. Down below here you can see AI diagramming models like AI flowchart, AI mind map, AI timeline, AI list, AI SWOT analysis, AI user story and AI user profile. First of all, let's talk about how you can create AI mind maps. Simply click on AI mind map button. Here you will see the interface like this. You can enter the prompt here for create the mind map. If I write here mind map on digital marketing, then click on AI diagramming and select the option like timeline, list, table, mind map and etc. I will select mind map and then click on the generate button. Wait here for a while. And that's it. Our mind map is generated. Very easily you can generate mind map by using EdrawMax. I can fully customize it. Simply click on it and here you can see we have many features like EdrawAI. I can add topics, subtopics, relations, summary, boundary, add symbols, insert, shape, and here we have the beauty button. If I click on it, here you can set the style. Here you can see we have many styles. Set the layout, connector style, branch fields, branch line, theme colors, theme font and rainbow. If I click on its EdrawAI feature, here you can continue to expand the mind map, polish text, smart summary, text break, make this passage longer, make this passage shorter, change tone, translate and discover more AI features. You can translate your text into many languages. I will select Italian and here you can see the result. My language is changed into Italian. At the top you can see here we have many options like home, insert, design, view, symbols, advanced and AI. If I click on AI hot features, here you can see we have many hot features like AI chat, AI drawing, flowchart, mind map, timeline, SWOT analysis, image text extraction and quick edit. If I select the AI chat button, so you can chat with your PDF very easily. Simple enter the prompt here. I will write here what is mind mapping. And here is the result. You can regenerate the answer and if you want to, you can change it into mind map and list. I will select mind map and that's it. The mind map is ready. And the next hot feature is AI drawing. Simply click on it. You can generate images very easily using AI drawing feature. Simply select the resource type like symbol, stickers, landscape and etc. I will select sticker, then enter the prompt here and click on the generate button. Here is the result. You can use it into your mind map. Simply click on use PNG button and you can adjust it into your mind map as you want. Let's talk about AI flowchart button. Here you can see we have AI flowchart. Simply click on it. You can easily create flowcharts by using EdrawMax. Simply enter the prompt here. For example, I will write here create flowchart on student registration in school and click on the generate button. Here is the result. In few seconds our flowchart is ready. I will fully customize it. I will bold it, italic it, add shape like line, circle and etc. At the left here you can see we have many options like templates, symbols, text, images, icons, stickers, chart and widgets. At the top here you can see we have the view section. Simply click on it and you can on flow animation button. Flow animation is added in our flowchart. So you can customize your flowchart very easily by using EdrawMax. If I click on the beauty filter, you can change your flowchart like this and here you can see it looks very cool. So that's very easy. EdrawMax is our style tool with application across various industries. Whether you are a business professionals, educators or simply looking to organize your thoughts, EdrawMax has a use case for you. So the link of this website is available in the video description. I think EdrawMax is very useful software for create mind maps and flowchart. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.